Meet NAC Liquid Gloss No Base Break Color. Shine and condition of a semi and the durability of a demi-permanent color. 28 illuminating shades, no ammonia, PPD-free, vegan, and enriched with squalene for incredible shine and condition. Designed for today's modern toning and coloring services without the risk of base break. Discover your favorite NAC Liquid Gloss shade and take your coloring to a whole new level. For easy colour selection, please reference the Liquid Gloss wall chart to select your desired shade. Protect sensitised hair with NAC Colour Support Porosity Equaliser. Start your colour application at the back and move to the top, making sure your application is even.